It's the girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. You don't know, guys. For today's video, I'll be making curry chicken. Yo, y'all can't go wrong with some curry chicken, okay? If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. Say you. Yes, you could be notified every time a girl uploads a new video. If you're only returning back to my channel, you don't know, say awesome. You are number one. You are number one. Guys, also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. Everything will be in the description down below or at the end of the video. So make sure you guys watch the video all the way through its entirety. Okay, guys, yo, it's been a minute since I had curry chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I surely did have a good time making it. And stay tuned for the other video, or the video before, whichever one, where I'm gonna do a mukbang with it. Okay, let's get into this curry chicken. Bye. Alright, guys, so this is some of the ingredients right here that you're gonna need to make your curry chicken. So right here I have some chicken thighs with the skin on. It comes in I had 4 thighs, and I asked them to cut it up into quadrants. Just cut it in 4. So that's the best part about shopping at Publix. They can cut up your meat for you. So I appreciate that, because if you don't know, like, I ain't got time to cut them up. I would have just cooked them whole. But I'm gonna clean this up. If the skin stays on, I'm gonna leave the skin on. I usually take the skin off, but whatever skin left back, I'm gonna just keep the skin on. I ain't worrying about it. I have some carrot ovayasa. I have 1 potato, and I have some bell pepper, habanero pepper, and piece of onion. When I come, I'm gonna clean this up, and then I'm gonna cut those up, and I'm gonna get the seasonings together, and then I'll be right back. This only cost me $4.27 for 4 thighs. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I'm done cleaning up my meat. I took off most of the skin and whatever. So here I have the veggies. I have 2 carrot, 1 potato, little piece of bell pepper. That's all I had left. Habanero pepper, and 1 small onion. Medium onion. Oh, y'all just did not see that. Push that aside. I'm gonna cut these up first, and I'm gonna just throw it in there. Let me zoom up in on this. All right, cut the carrots first. Guys, I just love this knife. Easy to cut through these carrots. If y'all knew the previous knife I was using, took me 10 years. 10 years just to cut through anything. So I'm gonna leave the cutting board and the knife set in the description below, so you could go get you some, baby. Get you some, yes. All right, so I'm gonna just throw the carrots in here. Ooh. Y'all, I haven't had curry in a hot minute. The last time I had curry was the last time I made a curry video. That was about, 10 months ago? That was the last time I had me some curry. But today, I was in the mood. I was a feeling for some curry chicken. So here I am. If you want to make curry goat, you can make curry goat for sure. But I make the curry chicken. Honestly, I don't know if I should pair it up with some white rice the traditional way, or make some rice and peas with it. Oh, you know what? Half an onion could do. I'm gonna put the other piece. I don't need the other piece. Yeah, so I might do rice and peas or regular white rice. You can even make boiled dumpling. Yeah, look how it look good already. You can make boiled dumpling. With some banana and yam on the side. Guys, this is how big I cut my potatoes, okay? Because I don't want them to mash out. I think I'm going to save those to the side. And I'm going to use the whole thing. I don't like spicy food, but I feel like this won't be too spicy. Y'all already know I'm going to do a mukbang with this. So if it's too spicy, I'm going to let y'all know. I feel like the peppers here in America is not too strong, so that's why. Alright. Put that to the side. Got my meat right here. Yo, y'all can't tell me this don't look good. Y'all can't tell me this no look good and turn up. You don't know, see a girl know how to do her thing. Ja. Alright, so I'm gonna go with some Maggi. Alright, just a little bit of that. Some black pepper. Black pepper almost done. I'm gonna go with some adobo. And I'm gonna go with some Creole seasoning. Put this thing on everything. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You want this well seasoned up. And I'm gonna go with a little bit of turmeric. Just a little bit to bring out the curry. That's it. Just a dab. And I'm gonna go with some curry powder. See, I want the real curry powder straight from yard. Sure, got them things there kind of taste. And it tastes like the real deal. You know what I say? So I'm put some in here, and I'm also going to put some in the pot to cook up. You know, I'm going to throw my potatoes in here because John know everything I go get cook up in a one pot right away. I'm going to just put that in there. Alright, let's mix this around. If you're wearing fingernails, fake nails, put on gloves. Because this thing I'm going to get messy. This thing I'm going to get messy. Whew. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Alright guys, I'm going to let this marinate for about 30 minutes. If you can let this marinate overnight, even better. But I and I not no time for that. No sir. Ja. Y'all already know this thing I got turn up. See there, up close and personal. Yes, baby. Woo. Alright guys, so when I come back, we are going to cook this up. Let that marinate. Gotta go wash my hand. Look upon that. Look upon that. Yo. Yo. Yes, baby. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, for more awesomeness. I'll be back. I'm going to clean that, guys. So I got some oil in the pot. And I'm going to add a little bit of curry powder. Just to cook up the curry. Alright. So I'm going to cut my temp back up to high. Okay, you don't, listen, you want to burn your curry, but you don't want to burn it up too much. You know what I'm putting there too? I'm going to put some garlic. Y'all, you don't know, so this, oh, damn. You don't know, so this I gonna taste good up. Alright, you don't want your garlic to burn, and you definitely don't want your curry to burn. Two of them burn up, no stop. You might as well start all over. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put everything in the pot. Everything, the carrot, the potato, the onion, the bell pepper, everything. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna open up the door. I don't want this place to smell like curry. Woo! Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna just leave this on high. Let me get up in here so y'all can see. We got the onions and everything. Cover it up and let it do its thing. When it comes out, I'm just put a little bit of water and some ketchup in there, and then pretty much done. I think I'm gonna make white rice with it, okay? White rice is the one we're gonna go with. So soon come back. Alright guys, let me turn off this vent so y'all can hear me a little bit. But I'm gonna cut the vent right back on. I have a little bit of ketchup right here. I'm gonna add it in there, but I'm gonna put some water. I'm gonna put some water in here. You see, I didn't put any water in my meat as yet. You don't know, say, chicken produces its own juice. So you really don't need that much water for this recipe. Alright. As I pour mine's way of stretching the ketchup, I need to go buy some. I'm gonna go today. And just a little bit of ketchup, you know, that's it. Ooh. Mix this around, Tone. Ooh, yo. If y'all can smell this kitchen, the aroma, baby. I'm gonna add some more water, okay? It's already thick. And I want my potatoes to cook. Oh yeah. About half cup of water, a little less than a cup. Ooh, ja. I'm gonna just put this the rest right now. 1 cup. Whoa, yo. Y'all, when I come back, ooh, bang, 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 baby. I'm gonna do a mukbang. You don't know, say I'm gonna do a mukbang with this. Y'all already know. You guys know this. All right, so I'm gonna cover this up. I'm gonna let this cook down for about 15 to 20 minutes and it's done. And I say curry, guys, my battery just died, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna just let this finish cook I just cut off. I don't know. I have no idea. Hopefully it didn't kill all my footage. But here's my curry. Like I said, 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes cooking time. I'll be right back. All right, guys, let's take a look inside. The food done up. Food turned up. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Yes, baby. Yummy curry. I'm gonna get in the light because it's kind of dark over here. I'm getting the light and show y'all. Yes, baby. All right, guys. All right, here it is. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. You don't know for more awesomeness. Oh, yeah. Catch you guys on the next one. Yummy.